Last week was a very profitable week. If you recall, in the last video, I have talked about a very unique asset, which is the CAC 40 or the CAC 40 in French. We were here last week, and I told you that I'm going to sell based on the 1 hour chart and expected profit like around here. The price even went lower and lower to that point, right? And this is the beauty of subscribing of this channel, that you will never miss a profitable trade. All right, let's go to the my focus these days, which is the euro dollar. As I told you before, that I see this as a Elliott wave pattern. Okay, one, two, three, four, five, and started to retrace. This is A, and the beautiful thing that happened last week, we have finally broken the green line here. The green trend line here finally was broken, and even it was retested here several times. What's happening here in is very normal, because the prices between the green line and the black line. All right, so we are expecting the price to be a little bit choppy, and if I went even to the 1 hour chart, you will see that the price went parabolic. Once it breaks the once it breaks the green line, it went parabolic, and now it has retested the line again, and it's moving in the middle between those two lines. Once it breaks the black line, I believe it's going to go lower and lower. Let's go to the weekly chart to see. All right. So once it breaks this, I'm expecting the price to go low as to probably 1.12 or lower. We will see later. Okay. We'll see, but I'm bearish on the euro dollar. Again, this is not a financial advice. I'm just sharing with you my ideas, which are brilliant ideas. As you can see, if you reviewed all of my previous videos, you will find that all of my trades are successful. Uh, in the same context, you will find that the pound dollar also is moving in the same direction. If we draw here as a trend line, you will find that the line has barely broken. Okay, has barely broken. Let's change this to a line chart again, and if I do a lot something like trend line here based on the line chart, we'll find that the line was broken, a higher high then a lower low. It's a confirmation for the change of the trend for me, and I'm going to be bearish in this pair. It's highly correlated with the euro dollar. On the fundamental side, the euro dollar is, I would say, it's okay. On the pound dollar, I will describe it as very good. All right. Uh, what else do I have? Let's go to the something also interesting, which is the euro Swiss. Sorry, dollar Swiss. And we see here that if we draw a line here on the line chart, it has just broken the line. Let's go to the 1 day chart. Let's adjust it a little bit here. Okay, I see that the price was moving sideways for the previous 2 weeks, and with a little small higher here, higher low here, it has formed some kind of double bottom and started to move higher. It broke the trend line. I have rushed a little bit, but so far I'm profiting. Yeah, okay. So I ought to wait for the a higher high here from this end to confirm it, to see it as a confirmation. But it, so far, it's so good. Okay, it's working for me. I started to buy from here, and it's working good for me. I will wait till the end of the next week to see whether I'm wrong or right. I'm 50-50 on this trade. Okay, the Bitcoin, as I told you several videos ago, and roughly every period I'm talking about this, the Bitcoin is in a rising channel. Okay, the blue lines here is for the candlestick chart. If I have changed this to a line chart, it's going to be between the aqua lines. Okay, still also forming a rising channel. In a smaller scale, you will find that the price has formed a rising wedge here, and it's very high. Okay, if you notice, this is the monthly chart, by the way. This is the monthly chart. If you noticed, the volume on the monthly chart is going lower and lower. Let me exaggerate this. The monthly chart, the price is going higher, yes, but the volume is going lower and lower and lower and lower. It's lower volume with a green bullish chart. It's not good for taking a bullish position or long position at all. Unlike this part, if you have noticed here, the price was bullish and the volume was rising also. Probably this was a good chance to go long because the volume was rising, rising, rising. Here the volume is falling the, in the last 4 months. I'm afraid this might be a bull trap, so I'm going to avoid it. But if I'm obliged, if somebody is twisting my arm to take a trade, I'm not going to be uh, buyer at all. I know about the media and everything which is said about the Bitcoin is going to go up to 200,000 and the million and that stuff. At the moment, I'm not going to be bullish at all here. Let's move to something else. Remember, I'm talking about the monthly chart. Ethereum. I would trust Ethereum on the long term more than the Bitcoin. For some fundamental reason, at least they are a company and all the information is listed about them. Okay, here the Ethereum, you will see that the price went higher after indecisive candle. This is a monthly chart. It's moving inside what I see as a symmetric triangle. All right. If it broke the higher band here, it will go like crazy upwards. If not, it might hit it and rebounce back. The volume is getting lower also, so be careful. Let's move to the XRP. Okay, the XRP also here on the monthly chart, you will see that the price has broken the upper band of the okay, the upper band of the falling some kind of flag here, and it went up parabolic. But if you noticed here that the week is not over yet, still have one day, and you know crypto is 24/7. So the this candle is still alive. So if it closed above the previous high, I believe it's going to go higher and higher. If Because it means that the buyers are very sure that the price is going to go higher, and they trust it a lot. If it closed even a little bit lower, like here, lower than the previous high, it means that some people have bought, some people re-evaluating the situation. Some people saying maybe it's very high now. We have to think about it. Let's step out for a while and think, reconsider it, or wait for more confirmation. So I'll wait for till the opening of Monday to see what's going to happen, or at least the close of this bar here, the weekly bar, the monthly. Sorry. Okay, sorry. This is a monthly bar. Let's see. Let's go to the weekly. All right, same here. Same on the weekly. Uh, it has to close higher to confirm for me to go buyer. If it didn't close higher, I will be out. If it closed higher, probably this is a good chance for buying. As you know, I'm not very fan or fond of the crypto. I will be just watching and correlating this to the other markets. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to start to make money.